Not only has life given us the ability to imagine, but it has given us the power to do. We can never forget how precious of a gift this is and how brief life is. So how long is it okay for us to sit idly, just wanting a goal and not actively pursuing it? It won't be long until we become what we were before, unable to think and unable to do. So starting today, let's set in stone, every day, the fact that we chased our dreams. So that no matter what the future has in store for us, I wish I had tried harder will not be one of our regrets. It is officially day 7 of chasing our dreams every day. For the first time in my life, I can say that I am happy with the work I put in this past week. I'm happy to say that I have met or exceeded my expectations. If you can say the same, congratulations. Let's make today a strong day to finish the week off. If you cannot say the same, and you have a dream, today is the day to start. If you are tired, today is the day to fight, because what we are chasing hides in the path of resistance. So work hard and have a great day. And as always, see you guys tomorrow.